often close my eyes, then I can see you smile. You reach for my hand, and I'm walking from my dream. Although your heart is mine, it's hollow inside. I never had your love and never will. And every night I lie awake, thinking maybe you've always loved me like I've always loved you. But how can you love me like I love you when you can't even look me straight in my eyes? I've never felt this way, to be so in love, to have someone there yet feel so alone. Aren't you supposed to be the one to wipe my tears, the one to say that you would never leave? Water's calm and still, my reflection's there. I see you holding me, but then you disappear. All that is left of you is a memory, one that only exists in my dreams. And every night I lie awake, thinking maybe you love me like I've always loved you. But how can you love me like I love you when you can't even look me straight in my eyes? I don't know what hurts you, but I can feel it too. And it just hurts so much to know that I cannot do a thing. And deep down in my heart, somehow I just know that no matter what, I'll always love you. I often close my eyes, and I can see you smile. You reach out for my hand, and I'm walking from my dream. Although your heart is mine, it's hollow inside. I never had your love and never will. So why am I still here in the